Is your Xiaomi phone suddenly showing only black and white colors on display? Don't panic. In this tutorial, I'll uncover some solutions for black and white display issues and guide you on how to restore those bright colors back to your Xiaomi phone. So without making any further delay, let's jump in. Solution 1. Check bedtime mode. Go to Settings, scroll down, then tap Digital Wellbeing and Parental Control. Next, select Bedtime Mode. Now ensure bedtime mode is turned off. Solution 2. Disable color correction or grayscale. Open Settings app, scroll down. Next, tap Additional Settings. Then tap Accessibility. After that, swipe right to Vision. Next, choose Color Correction. Now turn off color correction and grayscale. Solution 3. Turn off Reading Mode or eBook mode. Go to Settings app. After that, tap Display and Brightness, look for Reading Mode, then disable it. Solution 4. Check for the latest software on MIUI updates. Go to the Settings app, next tap About Phone, then hit the MIUI version logo and check for updates. If any updates are available, download and install the updates. Solution 5. Factory reset your device. Note, doing this will erase all of your data from your Xiaomi device, so proceed at your own risk. To do this, open Settings once more, then tap on About Phone from here. Next, scroll down and tap on Factory Reset. Then tap on Erase all data from here. Now, if you set a password and PIN, enter it here. After that, tap the Factory Reset button and follow the on-screen prompt to reset it. Once you are done, the issue should be fixed. Alright folks, hope you found this video helpful in fixing the display color issue on your Xiaomi device. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.